have already a definite premise in the market structure for the police station, and I think tomorrow we are having the panchayat is having a meeting where the decision will be taken, and in fact I have requested the panchayat body, the Sarpanch, Mrs. Sania Pereira, to start with the cleaning, and the cleaning of the market is going on at the moment. Tomorrow we are having the meeting, and I think according to the decisions taken, we'll inform the police officer that they can shift.
So all the government offices which are on rent will be shifting?
First stage consists of shifting whichever government office is to be shifted in the market premises. Okay, so yes, I'm glad, and I know that there is a problem there. It gets waterlogged, and it must be quite difficult for the police, to go through in and out of that small police station. And yes, very soon they will be shifting to the market.